Hey everyone, hope everyone has had a great week and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to introduce to you the stunning ShowMe Korea Cooling Prism collection. This full set of magnetic cat eye gel polishes is a rainbow nail addict's dream. It was definitely mine. At the end of the video, I will also be recreating a Pinterest nail design with my own little twist to it.
And leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes.
The Cooling Prism collection features 10 mesmerizing gel polishes in vibrant rainbow colors, each weighing 10 grams per bottle. The packaging is both simplistic and elegant, making it a must-have for anyone who loves magnetic cat eye gel polishes. It also comes with a display card to easily swatch each polish.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures.
I purchased this gorgeous collection from Sweetie Nail Supply. The quality and pigmentation of these polishes are truly beautiful, and I can't wait for you to see how I apply the magnetic cat eye gel polish in my nail design, and swatches of each color. I will be sure to leave a link to all products used in this video in the description box. So let's get to the fun part, the swatching. I'll be highlighting each shade from the ShowMe Korea Cooling Prism collection so you can see just how stunning and vibrant they are. I really do think this is my favorite collection. I can't seem to get enough of these rainbow colors, especially in magnetic cat eye gel polish. I couldn't ask for anything better.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger. Alright, this very finger for people like them. Oh no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good. picture alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, nah, nah. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. So wrap your arms around me like a borderline. Our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden.
I'm going to let the video play out, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
You make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. I just wanna get you on my grid sometimes, on my grid sometimes. All my friends are saying that I waste my time, that I waste my time. I don't wanna tell you, don't know if you care. Repeating my mind, rolling around, stuck in your bed. Burning temptation, I just cannot hide it. Late at night when I'm all alone, try not to think about it. Invade my thoughts with your honeycomb. Try not to think about it, but baby I do. I was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder. You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a
Hope you enjoy the final look using the ShowMe Korea Cooling Prism collection. I am absolutely in love with these colors, pop and shine. If you want to get your hands on this set, be sure to check out Sweetie Nail Supply. Thank you for joining me today and watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and be sure to leave a comment. I love reading all comments and suggestions, so keep them coming. And if you have any ideas of what you would like to see more of, just let me know. Till next time, have a wonderful week, and I'll see you on the next video.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen to the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down. I got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah.